how to change your favourite team in FC24. So, here in the main menu, you want to come up to the top left here and press this little cog. This is the customization section of FC24. So, once we're in the customization section, what we want is profile. So, let's click into profile, and then you want profile manager. Then you want to select the user, then select the team. So in our case it was Paris Saint-Germain. Now we can select a different favourite team. So let's select Man United. So let's find them in the English League. Press X on Man United. Now they're our favourite team, as you can see. So now if we come out and we go into a kickoff, Man United will be auto selected. And if you go into the practice area or anything like that, Man United will be your team you practice with.